Hello, is it recording? Okay. Hi, I'm Annesa.
Hi, I'm Erina.
And I'm Iffah. Annesa!
Whoa.
Why do you look so zoned out?
Actually, oh my god, the smell is so bad. What's up with all the drains? It's all clogged up.
That's the story.
Oh, I think we should make an invention that could help solve this problem.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Do you know traditional debris nowadays are often get clogged up with debris and thus leading to water pooling, flooding and also potential damage. And thus, current solutions are also ineffective or require frequent maintenance.
Our main objective for this innovation is that we are replacing old and boring traditional drain clogs, but instead we are replacing it with our invention, and that is to reduce all the drain clog problems.
The uniqueness of our invention is small and portable, also cheap but effective.
Benefits to the society. First, can unclog drains so the environment won't smell horrible. Second, people can continue their daily life like showering because there is no clog up drains. Lastly, our country will be recognized because we made an invention that can help solving this problem.
For commercialization potential for our innovation, we are targeting customers like primary schools. We also will advertise this idea on social media as more people will be more interested.
Firstly, when it rains, the water will flow down the drain, and then the garbage in the drain will flow to the end of the drain. After that, the filter at the end of the drain will hold the waste to the river. Lastly, when the garbage has accumulated, the filter can be lifted and throw the garbage in the filter.
Did you guys know that this innovation has already won the Bronze Award in Palace International Invention and Innovation Exhibition 2034?